Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Holy Stone HS120D FPV drone with camera for adults, 1080p HD live video and GPS return home. RC quadcopter per helicopter for kids, beginners, 18min flight time, long range with follow me selfie functions. Better pictures and steadier FPV views, 1080p full HD camera with 120 degrees FOV and 75 degrees adjustable wide angle helps to capture clearly photos and more stable videos. South Dakota card included. 18min powerful flight, double flight time to same level drones. More pleasures and possibilities. With 300m control range, you can go farther and see broader. Safer flying, GPS positioning enables the drone to automatically return to home when battery is low, signal is weak, or lost. Quick and easy, headless mode, altitude hold and one key start landing functions make easier access to kids or beginners. Smart and fun, follow me mode frees your hands, while drone automatically follows wherever you move. Great for selfie. With Tap Fly, you can design the flying path. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.